kitchen, guys. We are doing stuffed pork chops, pork loins, whatever you want to call them. They look pretty and pink and nice and white. Look at these bad boys. I have my season. What I want to do, I have my seasoning. You know what I use. This is my little concoction right here with parsley flakes, onion powder, and seasoned oil, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. Hey, turn the TV down, boy. Okay, so what I did is that I like made a little pocket. But these, they're nice and thick. Like here's one. Here's one. I didn't do that one. I say that one for you guys. Here's one. And yeah, I'm using a bread knife. Only knife that I could find, okay? So, you want to take it right here to the side. And you just want to just cut just like this. Like straight in the middle. Not too much. You're just making a pocket. So that you can put your stuffing in. What's your favorite stuffing? Cornbread? I'm just going to go a little bit deep. Oh, you're doing it wrong. That's how I do it. There you go. I'm going to go a little deep in there. Okay, so I'm going to stuff it. I have, and while I'm stuffing it, I got my oven preheated at 400, you guys. A little bit of vegetable oil. About maybe 3 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. Now, I had some good old chicken stuffing. Not homemade, just by box. Made it, had it sitting. You want to go homemade, you can. And this is what you're going to do.
Are you going to sear it?
Yep. I'm just going to place them in there. Try not to let it hit your pork. Nice and big and fluffy.
No, I'm not coughing on the food.
Yeah, try not to let it hit your pork because, you know.
I think I got a summer cold.
Everybody, Jackson's got one. You know, Jackson been to school. He missed one day of school already. Just because.
He gave it to me, huh?
It's the AC.
Can you get people colds?
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Did we just did a dumb question?
Yeah.
Okay. And stuff them as big as you like. Because I'm putting them on the side. I'm going in with my fingers. Put some of them. It's kind of hot. I thought I had them cooled off good enough.
Mom, there's no such thing as a dumb question.
No, it really ain't. It's not, it really ain't. It really isn't.
I just thought about that.
Yeah. And yes, I did use my hands. Gotta get it up in there. Ooh, this stuffing smells good. Use your favorite stuffing. My grease is getting hot. I just wanna let that get hot, have it on a medium heat. You don't want to fry it. You just want it to get nice and seared. Now, don't do what I did. I should have seasoned them. Rubbed them before I put the stuff in there. I'm just so excited. But that's okay. And then when I flip them, I'm going to save some seasoning. And I'll season the other side and rub it in. I was excited, you guys, because I haven't made this in a while. You guys have me making things that I haven't made in such a long time. I'm going to put my season side down because I just want to get this side.
Ain't that big.
And I gotta make a little more season. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So look at these ones right here, guys. You're not gonna see me make all those. I'm just going full on camera, and the rest of I'm gonna do for everybody. But let me wash my hands, make some more seasoning, and we'll be ready back to flip them and everything. Okay, guys, I flipped one. Brandon wanted me to do a test. You can test it, you can flip it first. Look at that. About 5 minutes on each side. Use some tongues. We're gonna work with these three because I was able to get these three, because what I want to do is that the same pan that I did the little searing in and a little grease in, stick in the oven 420 minutes. The perfect pork chop. This is going to be so great, guys. So let them get cooked on the other side for another 5 minutes. A little bit more crispier than I made this side. So I really want to caramelize it, get it a nice crisp. So a little bit more crispy than I did this side. Okay, everybody, these are nice and ready. About 5 minutes on each side. That's all I did. Now, in the same iron skillet, if you don't have an iron skillet, you can transfer it to your favorite baking dish. I'm going to put these three in the oven on 400 for 20 minutes. And I'm going to go halfway. After the first 10 minutes, I'm going to go in and flip them. Then the final 10 minutes, 20 minutes top, 400. And we'll be back with the end results. While my my pork chops doing what they're doing, I found some pears, some shredded pan pears. Even if you have an apple, that I'm gonna do a pear glaze. So I'm cutting up my pears, putting in some butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Very good. Do it apple. Ooh, very good for me. The way you would do an apple. My first 10 minutes is up on my chops, you guys. We just top these, and I'm also making some garlic mashed potatoes. Homemade garlic mashed potatoes go with this right here. I'm trying to hurry up. Look, I just threw this in here. This is one whole can. Throw in a little bit of brown sugar, maybe 1 tablespoon. To get that sweetness, because pears are already sweet. My time is up. I need to flip my pork chops on the other side for the other 10 minutes. About 2-3 tablespoons of cinnamon. We're going to let that sit. I'm going to flip those, come back with everything, and put it all together. Okay, guys, this is my end result. Look at that. Nice and juicy. I'm trying to take them out. And don't cut them. You want to let them rest before you cut into them for at least 20 minutes. I mean, not even 20 minutes. Let's say about a good 15 minutes or so. Let them rest. There go my stuff. Oh, we ain't finished. Let me get a spoon. Cause this stuffing, yeah, I got some right here. The stuffing came out of there. You know, oozing out with stuffing, you guys. You bake it again? Nah, the stuffing is cooked. Oh, okay. This is what I want to do. So, you can make this glaze. It could be with apples. It could be with these spare of the moment. These pears I made, guys. So, somebody gonna eat good tonight. And I got garlic mashed. And I got garlic mashed potatoes, guys. Go with that. So, these are my stuffed pork loins, pork chops, pork loins, topped with some cinnamon. I want a cinnamon glaze or cinnamon pears. Look at them. They falling all over the place. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe and like what your girl is cooking here. I did it. These really, really taste good, you guys. So, these are my vegan cookies.